Hey guys, Mike and Drew from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Here today to talk about a new service that we have available through our location. We are one of the few repair shops, independent repair shops in the region, and that would be southwestern Ontario, that is actually performing these services on diesel engines. We have worked with our supplier to obtain the proper equipment to complete these cleaning services for the EGR system. That's exhaust gas recirculatory system on these diesels. Anyone that owns a diesel engine powered vehicle has probably heard the term soot, has probably heard the term carbon, has probably heard the term EGR or NOx, and along with those words they've probably heard the term failure, and probably expensive repair is also related in the minds of many people. So what we're going to talk about today is our process of how we clean these engines and get rid of these power robbing, fuel efficiency robbing, soot and carbon buildup in these engines to help protect the precious NOx sensors and the emission systems of these vehicles to prevent costly breakdowns. Drew's going to take you through the process.
Okay, so what we've got here is our cleaning system. Down here we pipe in everything in between the EGR and the cooler. So what it is, we've got our bottle here full of cleaning solution, the manifolds come down, special adapters for each vehicle. We have quite good selection. If not, we can get them for your vehicle. Now you also need a scanner to be able to actuate the EGR control, because that needs to open up to bypass that. You need to be able to actuate the secondary throttle valves, the butterflies in there, to get them moving and all that to help clean all the carbon up. So we'll just give you a quick demonstration on how this works.
This is a 2013 Mercedes-Benz 3-liter. Isn't that wonderful diesel rumble? We love it.
Okay, so we're going to get in and bypass the EGR to allow that to, for the cleaning solution to flow through the cooler, the EGR, and down through the exhaust. Obviously the vehicle needs to be running for this. Right now we have it open. We are going to open the line for our cleaning solution. Take it to the exhaust pipe initially. And then here you can see the cleaner and the solution. They mix with the solution and the air to aerate it, turn it into foam. Right now this is going through the EGR cooler as well as the EGR and then through the exhaust. As the cleaning solution goes down, then you switch it over to the intake side. You obviously got to rev it up a few times. Once your solution's all done and through, rev it up a few times. Obviously remove everything, EGR tube back on, take it for a good hard drive to get all that cleaned out soot. We will add some pictures of before and after. It's a remarkable product. It looks so clean, it does a great job, and it will help reduce the efficiency of your diesel engine.
We had one customer with a Mercedes-Benz that had a quote from the dealer of $4,800 to replace his NOx sensors and turn out his check engine light that had come on. We were able to do the service and cleaning for under $500. Lights out, everything good, vehicle having power restored that he said he hasn't had in years. So it is a new product to us. It is a new service available for your Cummins, your Chevy, your Mercedes, BMW, Audi, and of course the Volkswagens with their TDIs that everyone is well known about. So if you know anyone that needs the service, if you have more questions about this, please don't hesitate to contact us directly. Hit the subscribe button right here so that you can like our videos. And remember, Urban Automotive, safety first.